everybody, it's the HappyCabbie. You're not going to believe what we missed this past Saturday. Nicki Blue, here's what she looks like right here with all of her clothes on. Anyway, she is a porn star who has been saving herself. And here's a couple of posts that she has posted on Twitter about the fact that she was going to be losing her virginity. Now you may be asking yourself, how exactly does a porn star maintain her virginity? Well, first of all, there are other places that you can enter a woman other than what is known as the center of the universe. But anyway, this past Saturday, it was a live broadcast on the internet, and there were a couple of porn stars involved, and the audience could vote on which one got to do her first. The three porn stars mentioned, I think my favorite name is Jack Hammer. If you were a porn star, the name Jack Hammer is definitely the way to go. Anyway, when the website was promoting this, they were getting a lot of flack. A lot of people were giving them grief over the way that they were promoting the deflowering of Nicki Blue. But what was funny is the website actually responded to criticism, and they put out this little post that you can see right here. Now, anyway, I'm going to be linking to an article by Jezebel.com. It's completely safe for work. You're not going to see any pornography or anything like that. There's also a couple of other links down there. All of them are safe for work in case you're at work or whatever. I am the HappyCabbie. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.